Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Cajun Ratatouille. Okay, so now we have everything prepped. First thing we want to do is we have the olive oil in this heated pan already, and what we want to do first of all is saute these sausages. Let's pour them right into the olive oil for that nice sizzle. What we want to do, we just want to achieve a little golden brown on both sides of the sausage. Again, this is already fully cooked smoked sausage. You don't have to worry too much about it, being cooked or not. Okay, now they're nice and golden brown on both sides. Use a sort of a strainer or this type of apparatus and put them right onto a paper towel or just onto this happens to be a paper plate. We're just going to set these aside.